Hi everyone, so right now we are having the question answers of your maths class 9th NCERT textbook. So we have covered all the solutions of your class 9th maths textbook. So you can just complete your all answers, and if you have any doubt just comment down, and if you want some other types of videos as well just comment down and we will try to upload them as well. Thanks.